Lots of water in Farmland Temu. In this video, we are going to learn how to get lots of water in Farmland Temu. So let's get started. First, build irrigation system. First, ensure that construction irrigation system such as canal, ditches or pipes to bring water to your farmland. Place these systems strategically to cover as much of your farmland as possible. Credit card is linked to your bank account. You can usually do this through your bank's online banking platform or mobile app. In next step, use water sources. Locate natural water sources such as rivers, lakes or wells on the map. Utilize these water sources to irrigate your farmland by directing water from them to your field. Third, upgrade water infrastructure. Invest in upgrading your water infrastructure to improve water distribution, efficiency, and increase the amount of water available to your farmland. In fourth, rainwater collection. Set up rainwater collection systems such as rain barrels or catchment ponds to capture and store rainwater for use during dry periods. 5 is crop selection. Choose crops that are well suited to the local climate and water availability. Opt for drought-resistant crops or varieties that require less water to thrive. Number 6, water conservation practices. Implement water conservation practices such as mulching, drip irrigation, and soil moisture monitoring to reduce water loss and optimize water usage in your farmland. Number 7, research and development. Invest in research and development to unlock advanced irrigation technologies and water management techniques that can help you maximize water availability and crop yields. On number 8, collaborate with other players. Work together with other players in the game to share water resources, coordinate irrigation efforts, and collectively manage water usage for the benefit of all players' farmlands. That's all. That's how you can get lots of water in farmland on Temu.